Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking after my husband. I'm always trying to have him wear sunblock whenever he goes out for a jog, but sometimes honestly he doesn't listen. So I got him this running cap, which has been working wonderful and is protecting his face. This running cap from Outdoor Essentials has been working wonderful. My husband's favorite color is blue, so he really likes it. This is breathable, this is lightweight, and you're gonna see that it's perforated all around, which makes it super easy to keep cool and dry when you are jogging. This is not only great for when you are jogging, but it's perfect for any outdoor activity. They have a variety of beautiful colors, and this works perfect when you're trying to protect yourself from harmful UVA light and UVB rays, since this blocks up to 98%. This running cap is not only great for him, but I love using them as well. We highly recommend them. I know you're gonna love them, but that's just our point of view.